and all over my eyes. Here. Hi guys, how are you? I'm Maria, and today I wanted to get ready for the day, and I thought this is a good opportunity to A, film it, and B, to try out the Urban Decay Lash Freak mascara. I bought this 2 weeks ago, and I just thought it's just time to open it. My other mascara, the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, is actually still going very strong. However, I'm just too keen on trying this one. Anyway, let's get ready for the day. I thought today I will do an all cream base. I actually really like it lately, and it makes me look very healthy and glowy. So I just thought, might as well. Alrighty, let's start. The first thing I always start with is my eye primer. This is from the brand Mecca. I am in Australia, and Mecca is basically the Australian Sephora, and they obviously brought out their own makeup brand. So I blend it out with my finger. Next is concealer. Here we go. I have got a little bit of a blue spot in the inner corner of each of my eyes, and I will tackle this with the Becca Under Eye Corrector. And all I do is I basically dab in once. I'm not gonna dab again because I already did. And I concentrated mainly around here. And I covered it, well, it brightened it a little bit. Next step is the highlighter slash primer from Charlotte Tilbury. This is a Hollywood Flawless. I know, the writing came off. And what I do is I basically, when I take it out, I don't like take off the excess. This is how much we have, and then I just dot it where I want highlighted. So when I have a highlight here, a bit of the nose, just a bit of my chin, because my chin sometimes turns out to be a bit too much. And then whatever is left, I basically dab it on my cheeks, and you will see later why. I have the e.l.f. 105 brush, and then I basically dot it. I don't want to use foundation today. It's gonna be hot and it will just melt off my face, and I'm not keen on that. Next step is bronzer, Milk Makeup bronzer. For that I have again an e.l.f. brush. This is the e.l.f. stippling brush. What I do is I take a generous amount, I would say, and then I concentrate around here. Sometimes I'm not as good in blending it out. Well, that turned out a bit strong. Oof, might have to tone it down. Maybe it's just the light that makes it look so strong. And then I go in with my blush. This is the Milk Makeup blush. I wish I had the bronzer in the same size, but they didn't have it, unfortunately. Here the same. I'll just take some on one brush and then dot it on the apples of my cheeks. This is also the e.l.f. 105. I have 3 of them. I have labeled them and which one is for what. Yeah. Yep. So that's the face done. Let's do eyebrows. I'll do eyebrows off camera. Let's do the eyes. That's what we're here for. The mascara. Man, my brows are like really bold. I'm gonna go for my favorite. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette with the shade Cinder. Absolute favorite shade. However, because it's summer here in Australia, I will use actually a flat brush to put it on to diffuse it a little bit. And now we're gonna take a bit of a tapered brush and go into Twig, also from the Sultry palette, and then just blend this all out. This is a Real Techniques brush, I don't know what's it called, and then I'm going into the flesh colored shade and blend this all out. And sometimes what I like to do is I like to take the shade Pearl. It's like a glittery, nice shade, and I take it just a little bit on my finger and lighten the eyeshadow just a little bit. When it gets too dark, I just lighten it a little bit. And for the inner corner, we're taking Tempera. It's from the Soft Glam palette, and I take my pinky, literally just dab it in there, like so. And for the other eye, I take my other pinky and dab it in there. Let's tightline. And eyeliner. Alright, now we're getting to the point trying out this baby. So I haven't even opened it. Bought it 2 weeks ago and haven't even opened it. Wow, the packaging is insane. Look at that packaging. So if you look at the wand, so this is for doing the upper lashes, and then the little ball on the front is doing for the lower lashes. But let's just try. It's a very wet mascara. I got it in my contact lens, so it's a bit blurry right now, but it will go away in a second. I can see that it lumped up some of my lashes. I didn't lengthen them. I didn't give it a volume. But it might be because it's a fresh mascara, and we all know how a fresh mascara can be. We have to have it a little bit dried up before it actually can be good. So far, I don't know. I think I will have to try it a couple more times to actually alright. Well, second eye. Again, I got mascara all over my contact lens and all over my eyes. Here. Alright, I think this is it. Now let's clean up the mess that I've done. I don't have any techniques on how to clean up messes. I know you should let it dry and then you can scratch it off. But then sometimes I just don't have the patience for that. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna fix my under eye with a little bit of concealer. Okay, so that's done. Let's, you know what we're gonna try? Just gonna, now that it's a bit dry, just gonna try just a little bit of a second layer and try not to poke my eyes again. Yeah, I think it's on the second layer, it's actually looking alright. So now I'm taking a little bit of Nars Dragon Girl. What I've been liking to do lately is I just put a bit in the middle I know it can come across a bit uneven. And I have here a tinted lip oil. Just squeeze a little bit out and use it like as a gloss basically on top of this. I'm really liking how this looks. I'll do a shot in natural lighting after I'm done filming. This is natural light, but I had to put the blind down because the light is a little bit uneven in this room. However, I think my makeup looks alright. Conclusion on the mascara is there is none. It's just literally a first impression. I need to try it a bit more. Claims to have 23.6 times more volume. I don't know, maybe it's my lashes. It has volume, like the second layer definitely gave it more volume, but I definitely don't look like this lady here. Even though the eyes are green. Yeah, let me know what you think about my look and the mascara. If you've tried it, let me know. What was your experience with it? Otherwise, I think it's alright. I think I just have to try it a bit more. 20-hour wear, sweat proof, smudge proof, flake proof. We'll see. Whenever I wear cream makeup, I definitely have more transfer. And I had it really badly with the Nars Extreme Climax. Oh, that one was a really bad one for me. I used it only on days where I didn't wear any makeup or with a lot of powder, but even then I always had a 5 o'clock shadow underneath my eyes by the end of the day. It was terrible. That's definitely not a mascara for me. I do like the Lash Paradise though. Anyway, here are a couple of clips in natural lighting. So when I turn my head, you can definitely see how beautiful the highlighter is. Because I drag it down, my whole cheek is kind of glowing. And then again the mascara. I don't know. You be the judge of it. I don't know what to think. I will have to try it couple more times. I shall see you in my next video. Thank you, bye.